Hey everybody, welcome back to Inspired Dishes. Today I will be making banana oatmeal pancakes. Now here's the ingredients. Now I know you see these three beaten up bananas, and I know some people might be like, hold up. What you finna do with these beaten up bananas? Hold up, y'all. Yes, whenever you're making a recipe that's, causing for you to pretty much blend up your bananas, the darker it is, the sweeter it is. So yeah, we're pretty much gonna sweeten this up without using with sugars and all that stuff. So we need the sweetness from the banana. That's why I have the beaten up banana. Now, as far as this ripe banana, that's gonna be used as a garnish, which I didn't use all of it. I'm also gonna be using my egg whites. I'm gonna be using maple syrup along with honey in order to sweeten it up. I love sweets, y'all, but if you just want to use just the honey or just the maple, you can go ahead and do so. I also have my baking powder along with 3 plain instant oatmeal packets. Now, there's only 3 right here, but I added an extra one a little later. So I have a total of 4, and I also added extra egg whites as well. But it all will be listed in my description. And like I said, my baking powder, and that's pretty much it. So let's get started. Oh yeah, and we're gonna blend this all up together too. So let's get started. Now to my blender cup, I'm gonna be adding the 3 beaten up bananas that you saw earlier. So yeah, I'm just pretty much gonna break that apart. All of that, I was trying to get it to fit. If it don't fit, let's get a spoon and push it all together. Of course, when you blend it up, you're gonna have room because it's gonna be pretty much mixed together, blended. But before you blend it, it's gonna be a little bit, stuff to the top. So just get a spoon and push it down. So just go ahead and add your 3 bananas. Now to that, you want to add your 3 packets of plain oatmeal. Now it's a different flavors. The only other flavor I would recommend you to use is the banana flavor if you have that one, but just the plain packet will do. And like I told you, I have a total of 4, but I didn't use that last one until a little later when I realized when I was trying to fry it up, cook it up and it just didn't come out right. So that's when I added more egg whites as well as another packet because the consistency was a little wet. So I want it to be more like, together. So I added another packet. But yeah, just use your spoon. If it don't all fit, just go ahead and push it all down. So I'm just gonna pretty much just add my 3 packets right now, and then I'm adding in my honey. Now I don't have the exact measurement, but like if you like more of sweet stuff, go ahead and add more. If you don't, you can go ahead and add less. And I'm also adding in my maple syrup now. I know that's like a lot, y'all. If you don't like too much sweet stuff, you can avoid one of them, either the honey or the maple syrup. Now here's what I'm adding in my egg whites as well. Like I said, everything will be in my description. I didn't really use a measurement, but like I said, when I tried to cook it up, it didn't cook up right. So yeah, that's why I added more. So now we're pretty much about to blend it. So here's how it looks once I blend it up. I also added in my baking powder. So let's take it over to the stove. Okay, yeah, the pan that I have here, I realized I had to switch it over. So yeah, I'm gonna be switching over the pans in a few minutes. But yeah, to this pan, whenever I'm making pancakes, and that's probably why I had the issue with the first one. But yeah, I just pretty much just cooked it with oil. But yeah, when I'm making pancakes, I like to use a little bit of oil and a little bit of butter. It balances it out so great. And when I say these pancakes came out so good the second time, once I used the butter along with the oil. So yeah, I would recommend you to use butter and a little bit of oil. It's not a exact, measurement, but just a little bit. Just a little bit to coat the pan and just a teensy bit of oil. So yeah, once I did that, I just put the batter. Like I told you, I had to add more of the egg white and a packet of oatmeal, and I also blended that up as well because I wanted small bits and everything. Now I poured some batter into the pan. Now you can tell it's pretty much ready to flip because you see that bubble around it and you see like the little holes on the top of it. So yeah, that's how you know it's pretty much ready to be flipped. So yeah, I got my spatula and I'm about to flip it, y'all. It's cause like when I was trying to flip the other one, the one before I used the butter and I added the stuff inside of it, like it stuck to the pan. When I tried to flip it, it didn't want to flip at all. It was like literally stuck to the pan. But with this one, as you can tell, it's not stuck to the pan whatsoever. And I have a little trouble with pretty much flipping over pancakes. But as you can see, it looks so good. It's so brown. Yes, I did. I was so happy when I did that. I was like, okay, yes, this is perfect. So you just pretty much want to repeat that step with all your pancakes, and just also to make sure like when you run low on the oil or butter, make sure every time you put a pancake in, make sure and put a little bit more butter and a little bit more oil as well in order for your pancake not to burn up or, for it to come out right. Okay, so now we are ready to plate them. Yes, yes, yes. I'm telling y'all, oh my goodness, this looks so good, y'all. Now I just added my butter, and yeah, I want to go the extra mile. So yeah, I cut up me some bananas so y'all can know it's a banana pancake. So yeah, I got my pancakes on there, and yeah, I'm gonna pretty much put my bananas up there to let y'all know it's looking so good, y'all. Like when I was tasting it, it was so good. Like even looking back at this video, I'm like, wow, I want some more pancakes, y'all. So yeah. So I'm pretty much gonna drizzle it with my maple syrup. As you can tell, I did put maple syrup in the mixture, but yeah, of course, I'm gonna add some more maple syrup. And like I said, if you don't too much like all that sweetness, it's the sweet one. You can go ahead and just skip that. But as far as me, yeah, sister about to go in with the maple syrup. So yeah, I'm about to taste it, and if y'all could only see my facial expression, I was like, wow, this tastes so good. This really tastes so good, y'all. So yeah, I'm about to get this my fork and pretty much taste test it. You can even taste the bananas in the mixture. Not even if you have a banana that you're eating, but just the actual pancake itself. You can actually taste the banana inside the pancake. So, and you don't have to use all that flour or nothing. As you can tell, I just use only oatmeal. I try to use this less sugar. Like with this channel, you're gonna see a mixture of trying to eat somewhat healthy and not so healthy, and a mixture of both. So yeah, that's what you're gonna get this. And as you can see with the chip fingernail nail polish, yeah, the pancakes was good. So please try this.